something cool here. Something really cool. There it comes. It's got automatic inner doors. And the original fixtures. Wow. This is a beautiful elevator. Wow. Excuse me. Wow. Look at that. That is cool. Oh look, that's actually interesting. So you can see how this unlocks the door. If I can figure out how I unlock the door. Oh, and they just close? Interesting, that's probably a new controller. Oh look, that's new, that is new. But look at, oh, okay. There's the shift room up there. Can you see the counterweight? Let's see. Oh, there's the counterweight for the other, or for a different car, in maybe a different building. I don't see the counterweight for this building now. I can't see, so I hope that's getting a good view. Over there. For a second, I thought the car operator was going to tap my phone. Estoy haciendo un proyecto de los ascensores. Oh look, yeah, there's the original plate right there. It was originally a J. Pascual. Solves that. This is a really good building. All the apartment buildings in Madrid, especially in this area, are so old. Let's go back down. This is actually really cool. These automatic inner doors were actually such a cool touch. I wonder if they were always automatic, like they just had some sort of different mechanism. Maybe they were air operated, or maybe they were just regular manual sliding doors and they automated them at some point. And you'll see the door literally acts as the retiring cam. So you see this part, as the door opens, it's attached to the door, so when the door opens it moves back and it pushes this lever open, unlocking the door. Watch, you'll see when the door closes it. See? See how that goes? Interesting how that... I'm sure it probably just had a regular retiring cam, and then they just were like, you know what, we can make do like this. Oh look, this had original swinging doors. This had swinging doors originally. So I bet you they actually took these doors and completely changed them, because these do look like the old doors. Yeah, that cell looks now. Interesting, so they took swing doors and turned them into sliding doors. We're gonna take one more ride. This thing's awesome. You want to get up there to 6. Really amazing. You can actually see out those, but there's not much to see. The view out the actual door is better. Very cool. See if the doors close. Yeah, that's all new equipment for the doors. That's really interesting how they did that. I'm gonna call it download floor because I want to demonstrate how the doors like operate. I'm gonna end the video because I should probably be heading home, or at least getting food. I'm starting to get really hungry. Really? I was going to try to show the retiring cam sort of deal, but can't. Anyway, send it back up and we'll watch the doors close. I'm pretty sure it's on a newer controller. Yeah. Cool as hell. Anyway, you know what? Let's watch those doors one more time. Oh, look. I bet you the old call station used to be right here. These J Pascuals had little tiny ones. Watch those doors.